Good day, everyone. We are from Group 9, Section 3. We are going to present about commercial project of shopping complex. These are our group members, including me, CHELSEA INEZ ARAN KONG, Lo Yun, Melody Ong Hui Qie, KOOI YI SHAN, and YI SHAN. I'm going to present introduction. Our team had been appointed as a developer by Sime Darby Berhad to propose a commercial project at Pagoh Education Hub. As the developer of the project, we proposed a shopping complex as part of the Pagoh Education Hub Development. Eye-to-Eye Mall has a simple and comfortable design with an extra low crime rate because its height, which has only 2 floors and 1 ground floor. Security is also provided in the parking lot. And Eye-to-Eye Mall is always monitored so that people can feel safe and secure when they are shopping in the mall. Eye-to-Eye Mall is also built mainly for people to get out of the house for a while and do something to entertain themselves. Eye-to-Eye Mall is a great place to hang out with friends and family. The beauty parlors in Eye-to-Eye Mall has also offered the best opportunity for any woman that is looking for manicure and pedicure. Eye-to-Eye Mall has provided amazing opportunities for people to enjoy. If you are looking for a mall to has something interesting to entertain, Eye-to-Eye Mall has become your first choice. Next is I'm going to present about the feasibility study. A feasibility study is a method for establishing if a project or system is feasible, such as assuring that a project is technically, legally, and economically feasible. Our shopping mall is a multifunction mall, and the mall is located in Pagoh Education Hub. The area of the land where the mall is established is 1.2 million square feet. The area of the building is 0.8 million square feet, while the parking area covers up the rest of the land, which is 0.4 million square feet. The land is located in the center of city of Pagoh. The cost of establishment of Eye-to-Eye Mall was determined through this feasibility study. The cost of land where the Eye-to-Eye Mall is created was 2,000 ringgit Malaysia per square feet, which covers up to 1.2 million square feet that costs 500 million ringgit Malaysia. And the total fees for design and lawyer to authorize the project are 12,345 ringgit Malaysia. And running costs includes of fixed costs, cleaning and service, emergency and maintenance. Fixed costs contains the cost of workers, taxes such as waste tax, placard tax, and property tax, and costs of water and electricity, and this cost is distributed according to service. The cleaning and service include the cost of the firm which cleans the mall and the cost of workers who work in the service department, and the total cost for this is 123,000 per month. Besides, the emergency and maintenance cost of emergency and cost of maintenance for each service is the total cost was 98,000 per month. The safety plan was determined in this study. Prevention of hazards and treatment of hazards were determined when building the Eye-to-Eye Mall. Next.
Okay, so now I will be talking about the building layout. So this mall comes with uh, 2 floors and 1 ground floor. As you can see here will be the ground floor. It comes with 4 entrance, toilet, parking lot, and market and stores. The main design idea for this mall is to have a simple and comfortable design with an extra low crime rate because of its height, which is only 3 floors. Next. So this is the first floor and second floor, which is the exact same design with 4 lift, toilet, 2 escalator, and market. Next.
Okay, now I will present about the structure component of the shopping complex. The structure of the whole building is very important. It needs strength and stability. The entire component of the building structure are the foundation and the base beam. So what is the main function of the substructure? First, it transfer load evenly to the ground. Second, act as a load supporting to the superstructure. Third, increase the stability of the entire building structure. Fourth, prevent it from tightening and unvalid distributed living load. And the last, ensure soil pressure is within safe carry capacity. Next. So how to choose the foundation of a building? We need to consider 3 things. First, load on foundation. Second, type of soil. Third, soil bearing capacity. So for the most suitable foundation for the ice-to-ice shopping complex is the shallow foundation. This is because the foundation only consists of 3 floors. The load on the shopping complex is not very large, which is the living load and the wind load. Third, the soil in the construction area is soft soil, which the soil bearing capacity is low. Next. Within those shallow foundation, round foundation is the best choice. Now I will showing the top view and the side view for the round foundation. Next. Why we choose round foundation as our shopping foundation? First, the base of our shopping complex structure is close to the groundwater table. It can prevent the load distributed of the superstructure of the shopping complex over a large surface area. Thirdly, it can act as a precaution against future problem, especially flooding, and it can also reduce the cost of the building slab. There are 4 general types of round foundation. First, flat plate round foundation, thickness flat plate round foundation, wafer plate round foundation, and the wall plate round foundation. Next. So we are choosing wall plate round foundation as our foundation for the shopping complex. This is because when future the ice-to-ice shopping complex wanted to expand future, the wall plate round foundation will play a key role. It can be turning into an underground parking lot, and also can expand the ice-to-ice shopping complex down from the original floor, which is the ground floor. Third, the extension and tension of the basement is wrapped in a waterproof layer, which can prevent disaster such as flow, soil relaxation, and other issues. Next.
So I'm Lo Yun. Now I will talk about the superstructures component of the complex. The superstructure is the portion of a building which is constructed above the ground level, and it serves the purpose of structure's intended use. So we will build the wall in this eye-to-eye mall. As we know that walls are vertical surfaces, their function is to divide the space. The walls likewise give protection from the outside weather and also protect the inner part of the building. Second, we will use the beam. A beam is a horizontal structural member in a building to resist the lateral loads applied to the beam's axis. The beams that will be used in this project are simply supported beams, fixed-ended beams, cantilever beams, and continuous beams. Next, we will use the tile floor. Tiles are usually thin, square, or rectangular coverings manufactured from hard-wearing materials such as ceramic, stone, metal, baked clay, or even glass. They are generally fixed in place in an area to cover roofs, floors, walls, or other objects such as tabletops. The reason for flooring is to give a dry and clean ground to the building. Last, for the rooftop, we will choose to use the built-up roof. Built-up roofs tend to provide excellent waterproofing and ultraviolet protection. The aggregate top layer provides fire-resistant function. Built-up roofing is generally low maintenance and therefore costs little to maintain over its life. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Melody, and now I will proceed for the project costing. So for the S2I small, we will spend around 500 million on it. And firstly, for the building material cost, we will use the ordinary Portland cement, and the cement will cost 60 ringgit per 50 kg per bag, and we will spend around 11 million on it. And secondly is the common clay brick, and it will cost 60 cents ringgit Malaysia per piece, and here we will use 40 million on it. In addition, the normal river sand will spend 45 ringgit Malaysia per metric ton, and here we will use 22 million on it. And lastly is the mild steel round bar. It will cost 2,300 metric ton ringgit Malaysia, and the total cost we use for the round bar is 30 million. And next is the total cost of the project. Firstly, for the environment and demolition site work, we will cost 80 million, and it will stand the 60% out of the 100%. And secondly is the building, we will spend around 375 ringgit Malaysia, million ringgit Malaysia, and it will stand 75 out of 100%. And thirdly is the financial cost. We will spend 20 million, and the financial cost will stand the 4% out of the 100% of the budget. And lastly is the contingency. We will spend 25 million on it, and the contingency will stand out of the 5% to the total cost. Next. And for the project of the management, firstly, our project is owned and managed by the Sime Darby Berhad since 22 March 2022. And Sime Darby Berhad had appointed us our team as the developer of this project. And the shopping complex will be the major retail center in the integrated modern township of Pagoh Education Hub. And the Pagoh Education Hub will involve the 4 big IPTA, which are University Tun Pusing on Malaysia and University Technology Malaysia. And next is the Polytechnic Tun Sheikh Nasir Sheikh Ismail, and lastly is the International Islamic University Malaysia. And for the location of the S2I shopping complex, we will choose the build at the Pagoh Education Hub because the Pagoh Education Hub is the ideal place for fulfill the quality and future need of the student, resident, and workers. Next, the Pagoh Education Hub is located in the proximity of UTHM Complex, Sukan Kanu Negeri Johor, and Pagoh Toll Plaza. And as a result, it will attract the visitor locally and internationally to visit it. And lastly, in the long term, the shopping complex will have the highly rebates due to the potential shopping complex in Pagoh, Johor. And for the shopping complex, we will require 1.8 million square feet, and the building area will stand 1.2 million square feet. And next, we will name the shopping complex as S2I Mall. And the shopping complex will situated on the Pagoh Education Hub. And for the structure of the shopping complex will have 1.2 million square feet, 3 retail floor, and the 3 retail floor will have 500 branded retailer outlets. And the shopping complex will offer the more variety and assortment for the concept. And lastly, for the facility, we will have aquarium, the open air and fire heater, hybrid parking, the baby changing room, the lift and escalator, OKU restroom, prayer room, ATM service, phone charging station, and car sharing. And for the shopping complex, the safe bearing capacity of soil was assumed as 117 kilonewton per meter square. And in addition, the type of shopping complex is planned to be constructed as RC frame structure, and the grade of the cement will taken as M20, and thus the mild steel rubber will taken as FE415. And the shopping complex will propose build dominant retail establishment, plan, develop, and operator as a number of outlets within a center for trade. And here is the ground floor, first floor, and second floor. And now I will proceed to the bar chart. For the first to fourth month, we will proceed for the site preparation. Then the earthwork will proceed on 5th to 7th month. And the basic work will on 8 to 9 months. And in addition, the 10 to 12 month will proceed for the ground floor. And the first floor until the second floor will from 13 months to the 18 months. And in addition, the roof will be proceed on 19 months to the 21 months. And the 22 to 23 months, we will proceed for the packaging. And lastly, the outdoor work will proceed on 24 months. And the whole bar chart will proceed for the 2 years. And here is our network plan. Firstly, we will do the site preparation, then the earthwork and basic work, ground floor, first floor, second floor, roof, and lastly is the packaging and outdoor work. And thank you, that's all from me.
Now I will continue for the conclusion. So first of all, the main purpose of the mall is to be the people's first choice when relaxing or in need to purchase something. We are hoping that this project will be completed in 2028. So the substructure used is the rough foundation. To accomplish waterproofing, it was evident that the substructure of our shopping center should have a rough foundation. So the next will be the design of the mall. The main design of the mall is to have a simple and comfortable design with an extra low crime rate because of its height, which is a total of 3 floors. Lastly will be the estimated cost and vision. The total estimated cost of this project will come out to be around 500 million ringgit with 1.2 million square feet. We hope this project will come to fruition in the near future and to be a blessing to the people. That's all from us. Thank you.